What's up, Matt here, and welcome to the lockdown edition of Just the Tip. So I'm here in my beautiful house. Stay tuned, this one's all about how you can interrupt people tactfully without sounding rude. So cue the intro. So how do you interrupt people without sounding rude, okay? So I think first things first, everyone's taught that interrupting people is rude, and I don't believe that to be true. I think it's true in some context. So what I'll do real quick is give you an example of what rude interrupting sounds like. So someone's talking, you go anyway, and then you try and revert it back to what you wanted to talk about. That is a rude and shitty way of interrupting someone. What I want you guys to consider is think back to the conversations that you've had with people and the conversations that you're having in your sales. And if you've ever actually been offended by somebody interrupting you to ask you a question about yourself, I think you'll find that people don't really mind. So the way that I do it is I constantly say little things. I know it can be a bit of a traditional sales no-no to be going, yes, okay, but I want to continually give affirmations that I'm listening. And then from there, that gives me an in because I sort of talk a little bit all the time. It gives me the ability to go, oh, okay, like that makes sense, but you'd mentioned this. Can I ask you about that? Or just kind of talk over the top of them, but ask them a question that's relevant to the conversation that you're actually having. My mentor, Jeremy Miner, who I'll place here and then flick away, what he sort of does is he'll even go, whoa, cowboy. You'd sort of mentioned this. I'm really interested in that. Can you give me some more explanation on that? And even though that sounds like if you wrote it on paper, like it's super rude and abrupt, but it makes sense given the context of the conversation, plus it's delivered in the right way. All right, guys, so that's how you interrupt people. It is an absolute key into making more money in sales, and I'll see you later. Bye.